Hello, I am Sarah and I am about to show you a pineapple lover's dream. So this is a 3-ingredient recipe. Needless to say, it is so simple, it is so basic, and I don't know who to really credit for this one because I've seen it on quite a few different places and a few different websites, and I just had to give it a go because it sounded cool and I tried it out and guess what, it's cool. So in a bowl I am going to sieve 2 cups of self-raising flour. Now if you don't have self-raising flour, you can just use plain flour with a teaspoon of baking powder in it. Just make sure it's really well mixed up. And all the recipes I've seen call for a cup of sugar. Now pineapple's pretty sweet as it is. I'm actually just putting 3/4 of a cup in there because it was very sweet. I don't know if you need to sift sugar, do you? I don't know, it just happened. It's just one, I'm just going with it. I'll pretend I'm doing this on purpose. It's important to sift your sugar, apparently, or it is now. 1 can of crushed pineapple. I've got a 425 gram can here. So you just chuck this in, juice and everything. This is probably one of these recipes that maybe it would be more refined if you were to like add an egg or other ingredients in there or whatnot, but the beauty of it is absolutely its simplicity. So just mix that all together. Put these aside to lick when you're not watching. I'm using a loaf tin for this. But you can use like a circular thing and make it like a cake type of thing. I mean, the consistency of it's almost, you could cut it into squares and put it in a dish with some custard, and I think that would be beautiful. Or you can just put it in a loaf tin and cut it like a slice. I might do a bit of both just to just to do a demo. I'll cut some in squares and I'll cut some like a slice. Now the grease baking dish, or use some baking paper. I'm just using baking paper because I had to use some the other day and it didn't get that grubby, so I'm just reusing it the way I roll. Plus I don't want to make too much of a mess with you guys watching me. I have actually also heard of people mixing coconut in with this. I'm not sure if that'll work or not, but I don't know. I like coconut, but I think it might get in the way of the pineapple-iness. I am going to put this beautiful sloppy looking thing in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for about 55 minutes, and I'll meet you back here. Smells pineapple-y. Funny that. Normally I would leave this to cool down, but I gotta pick the kids up from school soon and then we're off somewhere after that. Take Olivia to the optometrist. My big baby might need glasses. Hot. I need to leave. Okay, I gotta be patient. I'm gonna wait till I get home. I can do this. That just slices up so nicely, loaf style. We'll cut it like that.
Very yummy. Yeah.
Chaos. It's yummy. As I say, I mean, it's definitely like, I mean, it's something you could have warm with custard, sliced up in the lunchbox. It's reasonably sort of dense. It's not like light and fluffy. You bite it and the first thing that you can taste is the pineapple. It's like, boom, pineapple. That is really yummy. And I mean, it couldn't be easier. It is so simple. Give it a go, people. Hit like on the video, leave me a comment down below, hit subscribe, hit the little bell by the subscribe button, and then it'll let you know when there's new videos up. Share it round and have fun out there and make some of this, trust me. Bye.